Repairing leading edges is not easy. It's a tough job. Bloopers. Okay. Hello and welcome. My name is Artis and I'm the Service Product Manager at Aerones for leading edge repair. And today I wanted to talk about two of the most important topics in leading edge repair. First topic is robotic application. We've reached outstanding results that are safer, consistent, that are repeatable. Repairing leading edges is not easy. It's a tough job. Those conditions are not easy. They can be in high temperatures, low temperatures, different wind speeds, and they have to work for long hours to do so. So, introducing Robot, we eliminate that fatigue. We introduce the safety because we essentially take the person hanging in ropes and put them in a controlled and safe environment and give them the necessary tools to be able to repeat the quality that they and we strive for all of the time. The second problem that we are solving is actually offering our customers the best materials available in the market. We already know and have a proven track record of applying Hontec, of applying LEP10, which you can see here. Our laboratory, together with our partners, is also exploring new opportunities like the UV curable materials that we would like to offer and others as a part of the scope. In order to have these materials compared, the only proof and method that is valid currently to have a comparative analysis is rain erosion testing. That's why we have a white paper, so you can actually read all about how we do those comparative tests. And what this white paper says is that comparing them in the rain erosion testing chambers, we have found out that two-layer application of Hontec S110 lasted for more than 200 hours at the tip speeds of 130 meters per second in the rain erosion testing at Aerones. So make an entry, get in contact with our sales, take a look at the white paper and see for yourself which material you would choose best from the offering that we can go and repair wind turbine blades specifically for you. And thank you.